Hi, with so many projects in Jaipur, now I would like to introduce our recent project with the name of Ekam Villas by Sri Ratnam Group. Here I am to showcase the sample villa of Ekam Bungalows and I hope you like it. On the entrance, we are giving biometric lock system for the security reasons. We have this huge drawing area. Along with that, we're giving a dining space and a kitchen which is fully modular. You can see the material we have used, all the soft closures in the kitchen. This is one of the master bedroom. Even we have similar kind of sizes in the rooms, but this is one size which is kind of huge. You can see we have a attached washroom along with this and dressing space as well. This is a small, I won't say it's a small utility space. You can make it as per your choice. This is a common dressing. This is our first floor. We have created a small lounge area for chill and relax. Then this is another bedroom. You can see the size, it is no less than a master bedroom. The false ceilings will be given, all the floors, doors, windows, washrooms, everything will be completed. Even we are giving wardrobes along with the bungalow. For the first floor, you can decorate it as per your choice. With all the rooms, we are giving attached washroom and dressing space. Washrooms will be completed with all the premium fittings. We are giving the fittings of Kohler as of now, but if you want anything more premium, we can even do that for you. And then there's a dressing space. Now we are going to the second bedroom of first floor. You can see the sizes of the bedrooms are too good. Apart from that, you can see the entire house is completely ventilated. The light, the energy, the aura of the bungalow is so good. So again, we have created a lounge space to chill and relax on bedroom, another bedroom of second floor. Again, there's along with this, we are giving a utility area. And the best part, let me show you the best part of this bungalow. For small gatherings, for parties, you have a separate space, an entire terrace space to enjoy your parties, to have a great time with your friends, with your family. You don't even need to book a space for your birthdays. You already have got one in your home. I hope you like the bungalow we have made for you. And also, if you want different size of bungalows for yourself, if you want to customize, if you don't want a same theme in your house, we are here to customize as well. And the interiors also, we have a sister company called Design Elica where we do interiors also, so you don't need to go out in the market and search for interior designer. We are here for you to help you for everything.